Hello guys, welcome back once again in a study trip. Hope that you all must be studying at home, and please guys, I request you all to please be helpful at home. Guys, before starting the video, I will request you all to please press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Now what are we going to study today? We are going to study about the articles. In our previous video, we had studied about the articles. But in this chapter, we will understand it more properly and the right uses of article, omission of articles, where articles is required and articles where is not required. As you requested me to please give us some guideline about the omission of the article. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the omission of article C even. As we all know, guys, I have mentioned it here that the words a, an and the, okay, are known as articles. Articles are a part of determiners, guys. Okay, articles always come before the nouns. Come before the noun here. Okay, articles are of two types: indefinite article and definite article. So we are going to discuss about this. After the discussion of indefinite article and definite article, we will go right up to omission of article, where articles are not required. As you suggested me and as you told me, requested me to please show us some guideline about the omission of article. So guys, get ready once again, and thank you once again to being in contact with one. Thank you very much, guys. Now once again, I would like to request you all that the word a and, always remember guys, okay, that a and the are known as articles. Okay, articles are a parts of determiners. Articles are a parts of determiners. Always remember, okay, articles are always come before the noun. Okay, articles are of two types: indefinite article and definite article. If guys, if possible, you can note it down in your fair copy and mention the date over here, right up here in your fair copy. Guys, before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please, after watching the full video, please do not skip the video and watch. It is no use. Now guys, second, after completing the video, I would like to request you all to please go to the comment box, mention your name. As you mention your name in the comment box, your attendance will be done here. Automatically will be done here. So it is mandatory to watch all the videos, not only of English or Hindi, but all the videos. Just go to the comment box, mention your name, and your attendance automatically will be done here. Now come guys, let's begin our class. Now guys, indefinite article. Okay, an indefinite article, that is a or an, are called indefinite article. Okay, points to any singular common noun. Common noun and proper noun, you must be remembering that. Okay, an indefinite article, that is a or an, a and an is called indefinite articles, point to any singular common noun. For example, okay, later on I will say you, indefinite articles are called so. What is the reason behind it? Indefinite articles are called so because they refer to individual in a group. Okay, this one point you can mention it in your notebook. After that, using indefinite article, where it is used, you have to be very, very careful by using, before using a and an. Okay, now, before singular countable common nouns, for example, I have mentioned it here, a baby, a table in general, okay, a spoon, okay, an elephant, an orange, a mango, etc. Okay, next is here A. A is used before some expression of quantity. Okay, expression of quantity. A few, a lot, a little, a great. Okay, a great amount of. Okay, these are the places where you have to use A very carefully, guys. Okay, once again, just mention this. If possible, just mention it in the copy and go through it very carefully, because article is very important for you guys while speaking and while in a grammar portion, while you write any stanza, any paragraph, etc. Okay, now once again I would like to explain you before using indefinite articles, as we have studied here and learned here the right uses of a and an. Okay, the a and an is called the indefinite articles. A and an is used before singular countable common noun. Always remember, guys, concentrate and just watch the video and try to understand. Okay, now before singular countable common nouns. Okay, for example, a baby, a table, a spoon, an elephant, an orange. Okay, this is the reason, guys, I had requested you to please, whenever you watch the grammar portion, whenever you watch the grammar video, just concentrate and sit down. Spend some time to study better. Next, A is used before some expressions of quantity. A few, a little, okay, a lot, a great amount of, a great amount of. Is it clear? Come, let's go further. Well, guys, now where an is used. Okay, I have mentioned it all. If possible, just note it down all in the fair copy. Okay, now and is used. These are the points, guys. Wherever I put a tick mark, I request you all to please note it down in your fair copy. Okay, and is used with nouns that start with vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound, and I had made you understand the right uses of the vowel. Okay, now note there are a few abbreviations such as MPhil, okay, Master of Philosopher, MP, Master of Parliament, that has SP, Superintendent of Police, okay, that has vowel sound. Which has vowel sound? We use and. Okay, so the article and is used with them. Easy? Okay, for example, I have taken here C has been elected as an MP. See here, abbreviation is here MP, Master. Okay, member of Parliament. So the pronunciation MP has a vowel sound. Okay, so MP. Okay, so before the MP we use and here. Okay, he is an SP, Superintendent of Police. SP. So SP has a vowel sound here. So we put here and before SP. He is an SP. You have to be very careful, guys, by using an. Now, indefinite articles are not used before proper nouns in general. Guys, always remember that before proper noun, indefinite article is not used, never used. My name is Sangeeta. For an example, I have taken here. Okay, my name is Sangeeta. Okay, and I have told you that before proper noun, where is the proper noun here? Sangeeta is my proper noun here. So before Sangeeta, we don't use any indefinite article. For example, if you write my name is a Sangeeta, so this sentence will be wrong here. Okay, next example I have written. Many students, they write in this way. I live in India. Okay, and they go and write I live in India. India. So this is a wrong sentence here. I made you understand that indefinite articles are not used before any proper nouns in general. Right? Now come, let's go further. Now guys, it's time for omission of articles, where we have not to use the article. You have to be very careful. Okay. Now, if possible guys, I would like to request you all to please download, please note it down all in the fair copies. Well guys, now we do not use articles with proper noun. Okay, we do not use. Suppose for example Pranab Mukherjee is the president, or we can write it here, Pranab Mukherjee was. Okay, Pranab Mukherjee was the president of India. Okay, Pranab Mukherjee was the president of India. Where is the proper noun here? Can you identify? First you have to identify. Okay, learn to identify every parts of speech guys. Okay, now proper noun. Before any proper noun, article is not used, never used guys. Okay, now Pranab Mukherjee is my proper noun here. So before proper noun, article is not used. Next, plural common nouns when they denote something in general. For example, is written here, children like to play, and children is a common noun. Okay, children, plural common noun, children. Okay, plural common noun. Before any plural common noun, article is never used. Okay, see, it has not been used. And the next one is before any language, article is not used. Okay, for example, it has been given here, English is the link language for educated Indians. English is the link language for educated Indians. Where is the language used here? English. Okay, so before the language, article is never used. Okay, clear guys? Always I am requesting you guys, try to note it down, because omission of article is very necessary for you all, and it is going to, I promise that it is going to be very helpful for you in your grammar portion, as well as while speaking and while writing. Next guys, before article is not used before names of parts of bodies, right? The question is here, example I have given here, use your hands to pass the ball. Where is the parts of the body mentioned here? Hands. Okay, so before the parts of bodies, article is not used. Okay, go to the next one. Nouns that are names of games. Any games guys. Okay, for example, cricket. Cricket is a very popular game in India. Okay, cricket is a very popular game in India. Where is the game written here? Game's name? Cricket is mentioned here. So before any game's name, we do not use any kind of article. Well guys, hope that you all studied very well and understood it and watched my video very carefully. So this time, be careful while using the articles. Okay guys, before completing the video, I would like to request you once again to please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel, so that you can contact me or you can watch my next video, my current video in time. Well guys, before ending guys, I would like to request you to please go to the comment box, mention your name, so it will be easy to take your attendance. Automatically your attendance will be taken here. Thank you very much guys. Carry on watching my video. Go to the comment box. You can even drop a comment guys, and be in touch with one. Thank you very much. Have a good day.